I'm Dustin. Welcome back to Foothills Adventures. It has been a while, and I wanted to give you guys some kind of updates, some progress on what's going on around here. This is an exciting new project me and Dad are getting into, and I want to walk you through a little bit of what we've got. That's the Bobcat. You guys have seen that before. We used the Bobcat to dig out this. And this is, for now, the right side of my building, and what is going to be turning into the workshop. This thing was absolutely packed in here, and I had to pull everything out, every single little thing. Most of it got moved. Most of it got moved to a big old pile and covered up with tarps. But as you can see, we're starting the forming and getting everything squared away for concrete. Because guess what's going on the concrete? Bam. Yep, that's right. CNC plasma table. Crossfire XR by Langmuir Systems. That crate's 620 pounds. It's every bit of it. Me and Dad offloaded it. Then you got the bigger crate back here on blocks. It's for the big ball screws and things like that. Well, we got a bunch done today. Concrete wise, well, not concrete wise, but rebar wise. So here, let me flip you around here so you can see. All right, so we're gonna go over the process here. Bunches of rebar off the ground with them little plastic thingies. They're all tied together about halfway up. Like I said, I don't really know how to do concrete. We're gonna find out. I guess the next thing you guys will see will be us pouring concrete. So I guess that's where we're going to end it for today. One half of the building done. After this cures and dries and gets good where I put machinery on it, we're going to start building the Langmuir. Hopefully this weekend, I don't know. I think my new scope rings will be here Thursday for the CZ457. And then maybe Saturday, hopefully I can sneak off and I can get you guys some good shots. But yeah, thing shoots awesome. Concrete's done. Done enough. Done enough for me. I'm tired. I'm going inside. But anyway, guys, we appreciate you. Appreciate all the service. We appreciate Kurt's Concrete, who came out and poured us, and Mr. Lance. Thank you very much for just being such an awesome dude. You helped out a lot, and we appreciate it. The Langmuir Systems is coming up soon. The Crossfire XR, and we'll have an announcement on that. Not on the XR, but we'll have an announcement on maybe things offered or business opportunities or, you know, any of that other good stuff. There's definitely going to be some tutorials on how to set up this machine, how to cut some materials, and we'll get going on that. But once again, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you. We'll see you next time.